Hi. By the end of this video, you'll learn what questions you can ask to figure out the name of this major key signature. If this is not your first key signature video, then try your best to think what the name of this key signature is before I reveal its name at the end. Watch a few more key signature videos and see if you can figure out the names of the key signatures on those videos faster and faster each time. Well, until you learn the process and no longer need a video to help you figure it out for yourself. Let's take a look at the key signature on the screen and get started with our first question. You can follow along in treble clef or in bass clef, whichever staff is easier for you to learn with, since the process for naming a key signature is the same in any music clef. Okay, in this key signature, we can see two sharps. The first of two questions we need to ask ourselves is, what interval is a second higher than the last sharp in the key signature? Once we find that, that will be the letter name of the key signature. So let's find that last sharp in the key signature. There it is. And by looking to see what line or space runs through its center, we can see that this sharp's letter name is C, because the middle of the sharp is on the C space of the music staff. To help us find a second higher than this, let's find the letter name on a piano keyboard. And how about we use this C right here? There it is. Now, the distance between two pitches in music is called an interval. To find the interval of a second higher, we count the music alphabet letter names in the correct order, or to the right on the piano. And in music, we always count the starting pitch as pitch number 1. So let's get counting. So if the letter C is pitch number 1, one higher to the right is D. An interval of a second higher than C is D. D is the letter name of this key signature. Now, since we're working with sharps in this key signature, some sharp key signatures also include the word sharp in their name, and other sharp key signatures don't include the word sharp in their name. So before we can stop, let's ask ourselves the last question to see if the name of this key signature uses the word sharp or not. Is that letter sharp one of the sharps in the key signature? Is D one of the sharps in the key signature? Well, we know the last sharp name is C. It's a C sharp. What about that other one there? Is that a D sharp? If yes, if that is a D sharp, then we'd also say the word sharp with the letter name for this name of the key signature, and this would be called the key of D sharp major. If no, if that other sharp is not a D sharp, then we just say the letter name without saying the word sharp, and this would just be called the key of D major. So, do you see a D sharp anywhere? No. Unfortunately, in this case, we do not see a D sharp in the key signature anywhere. This means that we do not say the word sharp with this key signature either. So, everybody, this is the key of D major, not D sharp major. Did you figure out the name before it was revealed? Try another key signature video with a different amount of sharps and see how you do. Thanks for watching.